Welcome to episode 23 from Perfect English with Danny. Today we're going to talk about some English usage tips. And we're going to specifically talk about the words late and lately, latest and last. Let's start with late and lately. Late is used as an adjective or an adverb. If you are late for something, you arrive after the time that was arranged. For example, we say I was 10 minutes late for my appointment. You can also say that someone arrives late. We can say, for example, Era arrived late. You do not say that someone arrives lately. We use lately to say that something has been happening since a short time ago. For example, as you know, I've lately been dabbling in psychology. Now, what about the words latest and last? You use latest or last to talk about one of a series of events which is continuing to happen or one of a series of things which someone is continuing to have or produce. Now for events, if one of a series of events is happening now or has just happened, you refer to it as the latest one. For example, the latest closure marks yet another chapter in the history of this city. You refer to the event before the latest one as the last one. If no event of the kind you are talking about has happened recently, you refer to the most recent one as the last one. For example, the weeds that had grown since the last harvest. Now, when you talk about things you have or produce, if someone keeps having or producing a series of things, you refer to the one that they have now or the one they have produced most recently as their latest one. For example, we say her latest boyfriend or his latest novel, The Comfort of Strangers. You refer to the one before their latest one as their last one. If they have not had or produced one recently, you refer to their most recent one as their last one. For example, Luke has not been idle since Family Life, his last film for the cinema. You can talk about more than one thing in this way by putting last in front of a number. For example, you can talk about his last 3 books. You can say her last 2 pictures have been disasters. And that is all you need to know about the words late and lately, latest and last. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next episode. I hope you have learned something new today, and if you like what you have learned, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. You wouldn't want to miss out on these videos. This is Perfect English with Danny saying goodbye for now, and see you in the next video.